Chris, before starting, if you could say hello to my vlog. Hello. Gang. One second. I'm going to an event where it's more on the lines. I am finally gonna probably meet someone who I have been looking up to since probably 2018 when I started designing. Simple सी बात है, अगर तुम डिज़ाइनर हो तुम इस बंदे को जानते हो. He has his own personality, he has his own brand, he has his own agency. He's the one who normalized, I believe, design as a career. And I'll get to the point. I'm going to the Chris Do workshop today, which is happening here in Dubai. I'm very excited considering the fact that it is a personal branding workshop and it is something that I'm actively working towards. So looking forward to it. I am not going alone. I'm going with the entire Samuday team today. Samuday is the place where I work. आज जाएंगे, मजे करेंगे, बकचोदी करेंगे. I don't know the बकचोदी though, but yes, मजा आएगा दोस्तों. And I don't know about the camera angle and all, so अभी I'll figure everything out by the time where I'll just try to figure everything out on the go. I want to keep it candid and raw. Let's go, gang. Let's hit it. That picture.
When you said don't leave me, but the money don't come easy. Drown myself in this Hennessy and this shit got me feeling queasy. Saying that I be lazy, 4 AM and I'm TT. Rolling around with your new boy and you saying that you don't need me, but I'm outside. Who you think you fooling? We know you gon' still slide. Maybe I gave you away, but end of the day, girl, you was still mine. We just wanted different things at the same time. Hang around my guys, I ain't got time for no love life. I was meant to get fried my whole life.
वो तुम बताओ. भाई हम बहुत हम बता रहा हूँ. हमारा सोचो, हमारे पास तो बैग भी नहीं है, रचित पास फिर भी फैनी पैक है.
इसके पास तो है बैग नवीन के.
लेकिन उसमें और उसमें लेकिन कुछ मतलब का सामान नहीं है.
एकदम खाली हाथ बाराती में आ गए कि हाँ भाई लाओ खाना लाओ.
मैंने भी अगर टोकरा मैंने ऑर्डर दिया था. विख्यात भाई लड़ने चले गए कि भाई मैंने तो बोला भाई पानी बोतल तो बेयर मिनिमम था गर्मी में धूप में. अंदर पानी होगा. अरे 2 भाई बुलाएंगे यार, मेहमान हैं.
Moving stateside, the stakes high. Trying to take time, but I can't take 5. Bitch, there's way too many people trying to take mine. And there's way too much winding through the grapevine. Let me show you this bag is different. Let me show you this class is different. Nowadays, bitch, I've been laughing different. Now everybody acting different.
बिल्कुल लीजिए.
It's time for some breakfast.
लीजिए.
Some assorted biscuits for you.
Let's go.
Cookies if I must. Having some breakfast, right? Fill up, boys. We need some energy today. Cheese sandwich.
Hello gang. So we are finally here at the day in the future. So let's see on how things go. ये थी पूरी समुदाय टीम. We are feasting, eating food. बड़ा चल रहा है वैसे. क्या खा रहे हो दोस्त? भाई इतना कुछ तूने वैसे बिस्किट लिया है.
Just like warming up, bro.
तो कैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें दोस्तों? How is your workshop going so far?
Yeah, I feel more vulnerable, more self-aware, and I think I'll eventually feel confident.
ऐसा है क्या? कोई ऐसे की लर्निंग्स तुम्हारे ऐसे फर्स्ट हाफ में अब तक?
Vulnerable, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस सेल्फ
अरे अरे आप लोगों का क्या ओपिनियन है?
या मेरे सिर पे ना ऊपर से पानी गिर रहा है मेरी रिवर एट
Cool. Guys, we're starting with the second phase.
Give yourself a round of applause.
Hey Chris, before starting, if you could say hello to my vlog. I'm vlogging this entire event.
Yeah.
Would you want to say hello?
How's it going?
All good. Hey Chris, how are you?
Doing great, thank you.
Nice to meet you. Looking forward to the workshop.
Alright.
Let's go. Hello guys. So I just came back. The workshop was literally beautiful and how Chris Do conducted it throughout. And I mean, I've never seen a guy like this. मैंने नहीं देखा ऐसा कोई बंदा this down to earth, where he was down to take photos in whatever manner you want. I took this photo, and I mean, it's just beautiful of a person's quality, I believe, where he wants to teach. मतलब he clearly in his vision said कि उन्हें क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, and it shows the charisma that he has while teaching, while telling you. He took workshop for 8 hours straight. We had breaks in the middle, but 30 minutes max. Just beautiful. So my overall workshop experience was amazing. I finally got to meet someone whom I have literally looked up to since college. And yes, I'll also like to thank Samuday here again. And if Chris Do ever comes here in Dubai or anywhere where I could probably go, definitely going to visit. Love to NOBS events. Chris Do team, amazingly done, amazingly put up. So yes, thank you so much. अगर ब्लॉग पसंद आया हो, लाइक करना, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और राजत डिज़ाइन को हर जगह फॉलो कर दो. जहाँ सर्च करोगे यही मिलेगा. टेक केयर, गुड नाइट, बाय बाय. वेरी टायर्ड टुडे.